Tēnā koutou katoa, a very warm welcome to all our viewers joining us from Aotearoa and beyond. We're coming to you live from Napier, where two proud schools with rich rugby traditions go head-to-head. Kei wainga I te kapa o Napier Boys High School, me te kapa New Plymouth Boys High School. It's a clash of heart, history and talent. Two first five sides known for their strength, discipline and school pride. Whether you're tuning in as a whānau member, a tauira ōmua and our old boy, or a passionate supporter of school rugby, we're glad to have you with us on MāORI Plus. Get ready for a thrilling match filled with skill, spirit and the true essence of secondary school rugby across Aotearoa. And here's our starting lineup from Napier Boys High School. Head coach is Willie Tran. Perfect conditions here for the home side of Napier. And New Plymouth Boys High School, they've made their way to Napier. Head coach Ray McDonald are looking forward to seeing all these players, especially off the bench as well. Now, I believe ko tahi te haka ka hakaina I te rangi nei. So looking forward to seeing our haka before the start of the clash. I can give you a little bit of a breakdown about the haka that we will see as well. Ko ai ahau, ko Rahia Tumutumu, ko ai tō koutou kai pāpaho I te rangi nei. My name is Rahia Tumutumu, and I'm very proud and honoured to have the role as the commentator for this clash. Ia tātou e whangāna I te tīmatanga o te tukinga nei. Ko te haka ka hakaina a Napier Boys High School I te rangi nei, ko te ingoa ko te taki a tū ahuriri. Tū ahuriri. The haka of Napier Boys High School, it was gifted to the school by departing student leaders in 2016. This haka acknowledges ahuriri both as an ancestor and as a place. It also draws upon the local landscape, the history and the stories, reflecting and celebrating the rich heritage and enduring values of the school. As the heart lies the school's guiding motto, me tika te mahi kia matara, which means do right and fear nothing. It serves as a powerful expression of identity and purpose, encouraging ākonga to strive for excellence, act with integrity and mana, and also embrace the importance of service, leadership and citizenship. Nā kei te kite mai tātou, e whangāna ko ngā tauira, and we'll soon see both teams run out. Tōna tikanga tīmata I tēnei kēmu hei te takiwa I te tekaumarua karaka. So we do have a starting time of 12 o'clock. We're running on time, which we love to see. Also perfect conditions here in Napier. I te kaha heke te ua I tēnei wiki. We did see a lot of rain on the eastern side of the North Island of Aotearoa, but oh man, you couldn't pick a better day than this to have this big match between Napier Boys High School and New Plymouth Boys High School. E whānga tukinga katu I te rangi nei. So we have, of course, this match here in Napier. We also have Hastings Boys High School taking on Tauranga. Rotorua Boys High School are playing Palmerston North Boys, and Hamilton Boys High School have made their way to Gisborne to play Gisborne Boys High School. All of those games, except for the Gisborne-based game, starts at 12 o'clock. So Napier Boys High School, they have the light blue jerseys. We'll soon find out if they will start the match or not. So we can see quite a few people have turned up for this match. And as we have, ko te kapa kua rere atu, kua haere ki ahureri, ki reira tākaro ai. This is the Plymouth Boys High School as they make their way outside the lockers. What a way to run out. A few of the players also with their... Oh, a few people, a few of the players. He tohu hei te whakātu I te nui o ngā kēmu kua tākaro hia e rātou. Quite a few capped boys there in New Plymouth Boys High School. And as we see, Napier Boys High have made their way out to the field as well. We will see Napier Boys High perform their haka before we kick off this match. Te māngai o te kapa tērā, no te ope manuhiri, no New Plymouth Boys High School. Rā koe nā ngā haka, ngā kapa e rua nei. What a way to start a match. Rawe hoki ki te kite i ngā momo taonga i haria e ngā kapa e rua rā. Napier Boys High to our left of the screen. And New Plymouth Boys High School to our right in this Super 8 rugby match held in Napier in Ahuriri. Tāria te wā ki te ai ko wai ka tīmata i te tukinga nei. Te ahua nei ko New Plymouth Boys High School tērā. Ka kiki i te pōro ki te huarere ki a Napier Boys High School. So it will be New Plymouth Boys High School that will start off our match. Just trying to find the ball. We need one of those to start the match. Ana kua tīmata. Ko te haukainga tērā ka whakaaro ai. Kia kaua e waiho kia noho ki wainga i tō rātou haurua. Our first line out of the match. Nice clean take in the middle there. Textbook execution for New Plymouth Boys High School as they attack the line. Kara te mohio hea te mahi, but it is Napier Boys High School that get the ball back, and they've seen a bit of a clearing here. He thinks about kicking, but no, thought he could take it the way, but the line he says no, he got a foot out, and so we will see our second line out in the first minute.
Half back here, sir! Half back here! Hold, Nate!
Beautiful throw in there. Ball secured. Me te whiu ki te pai hauingari. Te taia te eke ki tētahi o ngā kai tākorora. May see a turnover. No, thought it was a turnover ball there. Beautiful defence here by New Plymouth Boys High School. As he sends it to the middle of our pitch. A lot of kicking in this game so far. Only 2 minutes in this match, and we'll see our third line out. The line out throws have been beautiful so far. Nice variation too. We saw a short at the front. And again, New Plymouth Boys High School get that in to the middle. Kuki ana ki te MΑORI, and that is number 6, Luke Goodman. He's there in the ruck, wanting to get it out to the wing. And we have our first penalty. Our first penalty of the match goes to Napier Boys High School. Beautiful kick there. And New Plymouth Boys High School very secure with their line-outs, winning 2 from 2. Nate Werder, I believe, is behind this throw-in. Another beautiful line-out there by New Plymouth Boys High School as they nudge their way closer to the 22. Rami Harmy there. His favourite player, of course, Aaron Smith, with his arms in the air. I pirangi ana kia hāmenetia te kapa nei. And they throw it out to the left wing. Beautiful defence there by by Napier Boys. E pātata ana ki te MΑORI ki te rārangi piro o te haukainga o Ahuriri. Making sure, being safe, being secure as they nudge their way closer to Napier Boys try line. Napier Boys, however, doing a very good job at defending their line, holding firm on their 22. That was a big hit there. Unfortunately, te eke. It will be a Napier Boys throw-in. Beautiful play, though, by New Plymouth Boys High. He ahua uaua ki te kite i ngā nama I runga I ngā poraka o New Plymouth Boys High School. Beautiful line out there. And they want to get out of their own 22. Good maul here. Rolling maul. And we see a first penalty to Napier. Ko te hiahia kia kawe noho ki tā rātou haurua o te Pātiki. Gaining a bit of yardage in that kick with a throw to come. Nō reira, te ahua nei, I roto I ngā miniti e whitu kua taha ake nei. Ko ngā kapa e rua nei, e angana, e pakangana. Another beautiful throw. Man, the lineouts in this match have been outstanding. What a run there. Heu wa hoki ki te kite i ngā nama I runga I ngā poraka nei. Nice clean up there by, I'm going to say that was Joe Jury Sinetsu. Koia hoki I arahi te haka o Napier Boys High School. Another penalty to Napier. And just like that, they should make their way into the 22 now of New Plymouth Boys High School. So just in the last 90 seconds, we went from being in Napier Boys High School 22 to now being in the 22 of New Plymouth Boys High School. Ka rea no ngā kapa I rua nei kia whai piro with over 7 minutes in the match. Both teams are looking to score first. Nice clean up there. Ko Zach Pauri tērā. Pauri. E whangana kia tuku I te poro, and we have advantage playing to Napier Boys High School. Still playing. So even if something does happen for Napier Boys High School, referee is playing advantage. Can they score? Nice clean up there. We could possibly see. Will love it there, making sure to get the ball out. But I think we're going to go back to where the referee was playing advantage. A player not rolling away. Nice sequence of play though from Napier Boys High School. Kua iwa miniti, kua pahuri tēnei tukinga. And it will be Napier Boys High School that will ka koke I tēnei wāhanga o te whira. No reira e mihi ana kia koutou, kua whai wāhia mai ki tēnei tukinga I wainga nui I te kapa. Kua hara mai I Taranaki, New Plymouth Boys High School. E mau ana I ngā poraka pango me te mā, e toki ana ki te kapa no te haukainga ki Napier Boys High School, wearing the light blue. Thank you for joining us. We know that there are another 3 games on at the moment, with the 4th game between Gisborne Boys High School, who are hosting Hamilton Boys High School. That game kicks off at 12:30. Here also on MāORI Plus. So all 4 games of the Super 8 rugby competition streaming live on MāORI Plus. E whakanui ana ngā te hunga mātakitaki. I think play will commence once more. Referee was playing advantage for a player not rolling away. And despite Napier Boys High School breaking the line on the right wing, ia hua raru tētahi o ngā kaitākoro no reira, kua whai wāhi mai he hāmene mo te kapa. We've seen perfect throw-ins by both teams. Oh, another beautiful throw there by Riley Mullaney. Fortunately, I ai ki te kai wawao. Kua hāmene here. Te kapa no ahurere. No reira. Let's see. A tap here was a short arm because he's in his 22, ka whai wāhi atu ki te kiki. And they'll also get the throw-in. Ko te kaiwhiu I te pōro, Nate Werder. Oh! We could possibly see the first. Whoa! It was a good break. Beautiful break there by Napier Boys High School. I ahua raru te whiu ki roto I te rārangi. And I whati te rārangi. Quick throw in there by New Plymouth Boys High School. They're inside their 22. They wanted to get out of their 22. Te wāhi mō rea rea. Engari, kei reira e tatari ana ko etahi o ngā kaitākuro no ahuriri who see a space in the left wing of New Plymouth Boys High School. He's got plenty of time here. Should he kick it? Should he not? With perfect conditions, we see a lot of kicking and a lot of play from the backs as well. This is the type of rugby we love to watch. E mau tonu ana te pōro. Wanting to get it out to their backs. Could we see? He kaha no te ārai o Taranaki. You can see there, we're not far from the try line. Napier Boys High School can smell the try line. Can they get there though? Koera te pātai nui. Beautiful defence here by New Plymouth Boys High School. Guarding their line. Solid line speed, shutting them down early and holding firm on their own 22. Defence there, still waiting. Not wanting Napier Boys to make their way closer to their line. The ball was out, but Napier Boys, they still have it. Oh! Bit of a break there. We should see. Oh, we might see our tētahi hāmene. Alright, kua hāmene here. New Plymouth Boys High School and Napier Boys are like, no, we'll take the three. We'll take the three. We've been here for a bit. We just want points on the board. Still got a lot of time in this first half of the match. Nō reira ka whai wāhi atu ki te eke I te papa kaute. I te papa tātai. I ai ki te papa kupu nei. Maramara keke noa ma tēnei kaitākoro ki te eke kia whai wāhi atu ki te papa tātai. Toru kaute ki te kore I tēnei wā, te kaimawha mene te kuataha kenei. So those are our first points of the match. The home side, I would say that was a great idea to get. New Plymouth Boys High School have been defending their line really well. it'll sort the nerves out as well. Kaore kore rongo ana ngā kapa e rua nei, ngā momo wiri wiri. See another penalty here for Napier Boys High School. Nā ngā whiu katoa, kua eke, kare anō tātou kia kite I tētahi whiu āhua kotiti. So they make their way out to the right wing. Beautiful kick there, beautiful chip there. Having to scramble back. Oh, I think that ball just hit the line. That would have been a perfect chip if it didn't, as he collected the ball. Koera pia tētahi o ngā whiu kotiti tuatahi, kua kite ai tātou. New Plymouth Boys High School. Gaining that ball. You see numbers to the left. New Plymouth Boys, however, quick to defend. Oh, really good defence here by New Plymouth Boys High School. Ngari, ka kite I tētahi āputa.
Might need to get up now, might need to get up.
Unfortunate for that. Man, those players from Napier Boys that were able to chase the ball, they were pretty fast to make it there. Engari, kua whai hāmene New Plymouth Boys High School. Wanting to get out of their half. Te kai mawaru meneti ko taha ake nei nai nei. Toru noi ho ngā kaute. Despite what the scoreboard says, it's been a, I would say, quite an even match here. Nā ki te kaiwawawa I āhua tītaha te whiu, no reira, ka whai wāhi atu. A ko ahuriri, Napier Boys High School, wanting to add more points to the scoreboard. Beautiful pass there. Making the defence think twice. But I've seen a few offloads in this match, especially by the Napier players. Got numbers there to the left for Napier. You see another penalty. Would have been an easy kick and another 3 points for Napier, but they're thinking about going for the line out, and possibly adding another 5 to their 3. They've got the momentum here already. And their hooker's been doing a really good job today. Riley Mullaney. Zach Powdy there. He's calling out to the ref. Kare ai te mohi ai pera ai. Kei te kite I te poro. This could possibly be the closest they've been to New Plymouth Boys High School try line. You can sniff it. That's how close it is. Can they get there? Oh, beautiful try here. Karo te mōhio Kauai. Let's try and see the number of the player there. But we do see the first try of the match. Hopefully our cameraman can close up to his number. Otherwise I can make sure that I can see a closer shot of him so we can announce his name. Engari, kua whai wāhi atu ko Napier Boys High School. Ki te rāringi piro o New Plymouth Boys High School. Kia waru kau te ki te kore as we wait for the conversion. But beautiful sequence of play there by Napier Boys High School. Not rushing anything, taking their time. Beautiful kick here. Te kau piro ki te kore I tēnei wā. So 10 points to New Plymouth Boys High School's 0 at the moment. Rua te kau matahi ngā kau te kotaha ki nei. 21 minutes of gameplay. And Napier Boys High School lead by 10. Te kaumatoru menete e toia nei tēnei tukinga, ka whai wāhi atu ko New Plymouth Boys High School. Ko Nate Werder ka whai, ka tuku I te pōro I tēnei whiu rārangi. Beautiful take there. He oi e ai ki te kai wawao. Kaore I tika. No reira ka whai Napier Boys I te pōro. Big kick there. Oh, and I've mentioned it before, but Napier Boys, few of their boys are fast. They get there before the ball. That's what you want in your team, putting pressure on the defence, or on the attack, sorry. Hiaha tērā. It will be a New Plymouth Boys throw-in. Nate Werder no. Oh, wow. Nei tāhaingia te pōro e Napier Boys High School. Taken in the line out. What a play here. Halfback. Napier's halfback. He's fast to the line. Zach Powdy. But with great attack also comes great defence by New Plymouth Boys High School. They're not wanting Napier to break the line. Oh, unfortunate for New Plymouth Boys. Referee is saying that when he did collect the ball, he knocked it on. So it will be... We'll see the first scrum of the match, actually. I was just thinking, we haven't even seen a scrum yet. So it will be a Napier Boys High ball. On your screen, see Zach Powdy. He's been playing really well today. He's been at every ruck. Been there for every collection. And he looks to the left wing. This is no doubt a play that they've practiced. Oh, and what a play it is. Wow, what a try. What a try by your fullback, Jury Senetsu. I also believe he was the player leading the haka as well. But what a sequence of play here by Napier Boys High School. Textbook play. And I reckon that they've practiced that quite a few times on their, I would say their Tuesdays and their Thursday trainings. Nā ka whai hua, you can see the result of practicing a play like that. Beautiful sequence of play. Making New Plymouth Boys High School scramble. Just don't know what they're going to do. And they'll be happy with that effort. Koira tana kaori eke te rakeke. I think that's the first one too. Kua tō tika ana kiki katoa. Ko New Plymouth Boys High School tēnei ka tīmata I te tukinga nei. Ko te manuhiri ka whiu I te pōro ki te rārangi. Engari, I whai wahi atu ko ahuriri. New Plymouth Boys High School will be happy with that. They did have the throw-in, engari ahua ko titi. Engari kei te pai te rai te mea. They will have the ball in the second scrum of the match. Rami Hami, ko ia te Namaiwa, is the halfback for New Plymouth Boys High School. And despite New Plymouth Boys High School having the ball, Napier Boys, ko tāhaingia te pōro e ahuriri. Gosh, they are fast on attack. Working really well, in sync. Great defence here by New Plymouth Boys High School. I think they may have a turnover. Wow, and they get the turnover. Well done. E ono ngā minute e toi ana I tēnei tukinga. Ka whai wahi atu hoki. I think this will be the first time in quite a bit that New Plymouth Boys High School have made their way into Napier Boys High School's half. Another penalty here for the visitors. Can they capitalise on this? E remanga menete e toi ana. Still got a bit of time in this first half to get some points on the board. They were close enough to get 3, but they're wanting 7, and I don't blame them. Been playing really well. Despite what the scoreboard says, they've been playing really well. Great defence too by New Plymouth Boys High School. And also when they are on attack, they've been a force as well. Engari, can they force the ball over the try line? Koirate here. Rolling maul here by New Plymouth Boys High School. Doing really well. Rami Hami there at the back. Calling for his players, calling for his forwards to go forward. Pick and go. Great sequence of play here by New Plymouth Boys High School. Beautiful play here, not forcing anything, taking their time. This is the kind of rugby they'll want to play. Rami Hami there, dictating where his players should go. He's looking to the left, looking to the right, wondering where to take the ball. They get there. Another penalty. Closer to the 6. Will they take the line out? Tap. So they're going back to where the ref started his advantage. And because both teams have had really good throw-ins, really good line-outs, kāre ai mo te whakahe I tēnei whakatau. Torunga mene te toi ana I tēnei wehenga. Strong forward pack by New Plymouth Boys High School. Forwards doing a really good job as we see the referee play advantage again. We've got another penalty for New Plymouth Boys High School. Kāre ia mo te makarona. O engari kua whai ahuriri te pōro, trying to get out of their half. Ia tātou e tatana, e whakatatana ki te wehenga rua o tēnei tukinga. Te rāpea koe nei te tākaro whakamutunga, te wāhanga tākaro whakamutunga ka kitea e tātou. This might be the last passage of play. Ia tātou e whakatatana ki te wehenga rua. New Plymouth Boys High School doing everything that they can. That's the halfway there. They want to get on the other side. But it is Napier Boys High School that are defending their line with everything that they have. New Plymouth opting to kick. And just like that, some of their players, wow, we thought Napier Boys were fast. Well, they've got some fast players as well. So much so that we see another penalty for New Plymouth Boys High School. Ka te whakatau. So and see what the referee says here.
He just pops up fat goose. You either kicks him to touch or it's a fat goose.
No reira, kei te pātai, how much time do we have left in this half? We've got time for a line out. So it will be a throw-in by Nate Werder. He's been playing well today. But it is Napier Boys High School. I pōhehe au ko Napier Boys High School tērā, I kahakina te pōro. Nā ri ai ke te kaiwa wā auare ake, nā reira ka whai wāhi atu. New Plymouth Boys High School will be New Plymouth Boys High School. This could possibly be the last passage of play in this first half. The Super 8 match between Napier Boys High School and New Plymouth Boys High School. New Plymouth Boys here. Oh. Referee playing advantage once more, this time for Napier. Te ahua nei, koira te haurua tuatahi o tēnei tukinga. So, 15-0 to Napier Boys High School in this match held in Napier.
Funding is a real challenge. We know that a lot of schools face that ongoing, and the reality is if you go to a lower decile school in New Zealand, you are less likely to be able to afford to participate in sport.
Obviously, having come through it myself with kids and being one of those kids myself who played sport, I know how much it defined who I was. And now being able to go, I can't fix it all, but we can help and try and give to those people who are going through tough times.
Nau mai ki tēnei tukinga I Wainganui I Napier Boys High School and New Plymouth Boys High School. Welcome to all of our viewers watching on MāORI Plus. In this Super 8 match, as I mentioned at the top of the match, there are actually 4 matches played today. The one in Gisborne, held between Gisborne Boys High School and Hamilton Boys High School, started about 20 minutes ago. But this one started at 12, and it is the home team, Napier Boys High School, that are leading at the moment, 15-0 to New Plymouth Boys High School. And if you've just joined us, despite what the scoreboard says, New Plymouth Boys High School have played some beautiful rugby. Unfortunately, just haven't been able to cross Napier Boys High School's scoreline. But that may change in the second half. Tāria te wā ki te ai tātou. So we have seen 2 tries to Napier Boys High, 1 converted, 1 unconverted, and also a penalty. New Plymouth Boys High School, they had a few penalties at the end of the first half, but opted to cross the line.
Yeah, I want to use those for the longer part of the other part of the deck.
It's been a close match so far. Looking forward to seeing the second half.
Stop, so it's not like doing it. Carry on. Probably measure it up later on tomorrow or something.
Do you think with another coat of that oil that the colour will come up a bit better? Because it's pretty faded.
Yeah, well it's only one coat, so there's probably enough there to do probably 2 coats.
Cool.
Well, we might need to get another one to do 2 coats of the whole lot, but that can, there's only half of that can gone.
Oh yeah.
So we'll probably have enough to do the rest of the deck, and then another tin to do second coat. Get another tin we can probably do 2 or 3
Cool.
It's probably dry out. Some of it's quite big, some of
Nā,
it's pretty
kaore roa, ka timata te haurua tuarua I tēnei tukinga.
The other side.
Can you just run in there and see that drink bottle?
Napier Boys High School, wearing the light blue. He āhua ua hoki ki te kite ngā nama I runga I ngā poraka. Ngā kapa e rua nei. We saw a lot of play at both ends of the field. It was, however, Napier Boys High School that were able to capitalise, scoring 2 tries. Looking forward to the second half of the match. And it is Napier Boys High School that starts our second half. He hanga kōrero I tō haina ki ngā kapa I te wehengarua. Ko rata pātai nui. Mō te haukainga. E pakari tā rātou ārai. He pakari hoki tā rātou koki ki te rārangi. Players waiting there as New Plymouth Boys High School karai te mōhio hea te take kua tū te tukinga nei. Good turnout here for the match in Napier. Kei te kite ngā motoka I ngā waka. I ngā tū ngā waka huri noa I te pātiki nei. Nā kua tīmata no te tukinga, āhua tahi mineti nui ho, ka whakangā. Ka whai wāhi atu Zach Pauri, mana Te pōro e kuhu. Kia timata e te tukinga nei. Ana, e tatari ana, Uriah Roberts, ki tēnei taha, engari, ka whiu te pōro ki te taha matau. As the defence great defence here by New Plymouth Boys High School. They see the ball. Have they turned it over? Yes, they have. The ball's out. No, but it's been knocked on. Unfortunate. And that's the kind of defence that the New Plymouth Boys High can produce. Napier Boys will throw in. Zach Powdy, he's been playing really well. Kei te tiro ia ki ngā wāhanga katoa o te whira. He's waiting to put it in, but he's looking where the opposition is. He tends to go to the right. And in the first 3 minutes of the second half, we see the third try from Napier Boys High School. Ko Angus Lovett rānei, ko Joe Jury Senetu rānei. Ko Joe Jury Senetu tērā. I heard a few supporters say, nice Joe. Joe, he's been playing really well as well. 20 points to New Plymouth Boys High School. Kore. Will Lovett. Will Lovett, he's kicked one conversion, one penalty. Can he add another conversion? 4 minutes in the second half. That's the kind of play you want to see and you want to start with in a match. And flags are up. Another beautiful kick there by Will Lovett. 22 points to Napier Boys High. Beautiful passage of play there.
Let's go, Bo. Let's go, Tony. That's your shape.
Penalty here by Napier Boys.
Flush.
Nā te taha ārai tērā I raru ai a New Plymouth Boys High School. Kāore hoki rātou I te pirangi kia no ki tā rātou haurua.
Let's go, Steve. Let's go. Good, Steve. Let's go. Keep it simple.
Just heard there, keep it simple. Riley Mullaney here. Beautiful throw there. And it is Will Lovett that sees a space on the right wing, on the left wing of New Plymouth Boys High School. But there waiting was Corbin Rogers. Bit of a goosey there. No halfback. Fortunately, they were able to get the ball out. Oh, but it's stolen. It was stolen by Napier Boys. Can he go all the way? Yes, he can. Wow, what a try. What a try. Individual try at that. Made that from nothing. And he's a forward too, and he was fast. Karo te mohi o kuai tana ingoa, but we'll love it, that will try to convert his try. This will probably be one of the hardest kicks that he's had today. 75% success rate so far. 3 out of 4. Pretty good stats if you ask me. Can he make it 80% with this kick? I mean, that was a hard kick. I'm going to say that. It's far to the right. 27 points to Napier Boys High School. E whitu ngā miniti ko taha ki nei tēnei wehenga rua, tēnei haurua.
First job. Yeah, hit the time.
And despite what the scoreboard says, I'm going to tell you now, the Plymouth Boys High School, they've been playing really well, just haven't crossed the line. They've still got a lot of time, still have the belief. Bit of a chip over, collected here by, I'm going to say that's, no, I don't want to say a wrong name.
Just chop.
Nut hair, wāngai te no.
Time, Davis, time.
On the outside of his 22.
Chase Joe. Case.
Waiting there was Case Raven. Unfortunately, when he collected the ball,
Hey, simple,
did
fast,
knock forward.
Joe, simple and fast.
Pakanga ki wainga I ngā kapa e rua nei, aha kua ngā ki e kai mua rawa to Napier Boys High School.
Simple and fast, let's go. Come in. Keep it simple, well, let's go.
Line. Go blind. Set.
Out.
Nice pass there. Can they break the line again? Waiting there, the defence from New Plymouth Boys High School. They will also Te hua nei ka riwha I a rātou te pōro. Ka whai wāhua atu a New Plymouth Boys High School. Ki tēnei rutu, mā rātou tēnei rutu e tīmata. Kia puta I tā rātou haurua, engari kei reira e tatari ana ko etahi o ngā kaitākoro noa huriri. From the right wing to the left wing, they make their way. Strong defence here by New Plymouth Boys High School. So strong, in fact, that they do get a turnover. Ko te mahi I tēnei wā, kia whai hua engari. See a penalty, another penalty there by Napier Boys. Kia puta I tā rātou haurua. And it will be a Napier throw-in. Ko kuhu mai ko etahi o ngā kaitākaro hou ki tēnei kapa. So we do see Harry Jones. He's made his way here. Wearing number 16. Nā he kēmu kiki. Te ahua nei e poi whanga te mahi I te rani, nei? And you can with the conditions like this. We'll love it here. It's got all the time in the world. And he's like, no, I'm going to kick it back into your half. Let's go back into your half. Waiting there on the 22. I think that could be Iriah Roberts. Heoi. Kua puta ki waho te pōro. Ko te manuhiri. Ka whai wāhi atu. Ki te whiui te pōro. The Plymouth Boys High School. E pirangi ana kia whakawhiti te rārangi piro. Penalty here by New Plymouth Boys High School. They will want to get on the scoreboard. They've been close many times. Engari ko te taha ārai tērā. It's the defence of Napier Boys High School. Defended so many times. That ball looked like it was going out, but it was intercepted, tapped back in. New Plymouth Boys, however, they'll get another chance. So 22 there. They want to stay in this half. Rua tekau minete, rua tekau matahi minete e toi ana. Oh! There's Case Raven there with the ball. We can see Jake Stevens. He's made his way on the pitch for New Plymouth Boys High School. Waiting also. This defence from Napier causing a bit of headache. Corday Wepiti Boylan, he's made his way onto the field. This is a beautiful play here by Napier Boys High School. They'll want to continue with this. That ball collected. I think that may have been Raven again. Keeping this ball safe. Oh! Good break there by New Plymouth Boys High School. Kane there. Here we go. Case Raven. But referee was playing an advantage for New Plymouth Boys High School. Beautiful passage of play there by New Plymouth Boys High School. 26 minete ko taha ki nei tēnei tukinga nei koe nei te whiu tuatai New Plymouth Boys High School I tēnei haurua tuarua. But it was collected by Napier Boys. Pretty hard to throw above. And we're going to see a line out. Basically where we saw the last line out about 20 seconds ago. The touchy didn't have to move anyway. Oh, unfortunate. Great hustle there by New Plymouth Boys High School. Kei te rongo I ngā ihi rangaranga o te manuhiri. But that was out on a fault, so the ball will go back. This could be the opportunity that Napier Boys High School need. Napier Boys, however, have been strong on attack and even stronger on defence. Holding firm on their own 22 and putting pressure on the ball carrier. I think that's what we've seen too from the defence of Napier, forcing errors, but Napier Boys High, they can smell the line. Strong surge upfield, got momentum here. They're looking very dangerous with the ball in hand. Another penalty here by New Plymouth Boys High School. At the moment, it's been New Plymouth Boys High. It's been their game in the second half. We've seen solid scrums here today, which has also given both teams their backs time to launch and to prepare. Very dominant up front. Not many resets have been seen too. So, he tohu tērā. Be able to see Napier Boys High School line. This could possibly be the first reset we see of the match. Otherwise, seen great scrums from both teams. Very steady. Rua tekau marima minete e toi ana I tēnei kēmu ko Napier Boys High School e arahi ana manga kau te rua tekau ma whitu ki tā New Plymouth Boys High School kore I tēnei wā. But it is New Plymouth Boys High School, black and white. Kaore nātou mō te tūohu noa. Gonna say we've got Tay Nelly to the right here. There's the line. Nudging closer and closer to the line. Got players to the left here, but they've also got defence, but yes, it's a try. It's a try at te whānau. Koira te hua tuatahi New Plymouth Boys High School I tēnei tuking up. Tāria te rima te kauma ono meneti ka whai hua ai te manuhiri ko New Plymouth Boys High School as they get their first points off the match. See if Tane Nelly can make it 7. Oh, te aua nei, eke ngare kau, auare ake. I tata engari auare ake. No reira, ko ngā hua I tēnei wā. I te minute rua te kauma rua o tēnei haurua tuarua in the 22nd minute of the second half. Napier Boys High School in the light blue 27 to New Plymouth Boys High School 5. No reira, rua te kauma rua minute e toia nei tēnei tukinga. Not stoppage here. I ahua raru te rutu. I te rangi ia, nā wai rā ka rutua ia e tētahi no Napier Boys. No reira, I hāmene hia rātau. New Plymouth Boys. That was a pretty fast and swift throw in. But it went into the hands of Napier Boys High, who kick it into New Plymouth Boys High, and unfortunately, I taka te poro ki mua iaia, and it will be a Napier Boys ball. Te kau minute e toi ana I tēnei wharinga, I tēnei kiemu. Ball came out. Came out pretty fast actually. Great defence here by New Plymouth Boys High School. Great defence here by New Plymouth Boys High School. Could we see a turnover? Yes. They got the ball back. We've seen that passage and we've seen that kind of play in this match. Unfortunately though, for New Plymouth, Napier gets the ball. Reira, ka whai mā te namarua te kau mā tahi. This is Riley Wainga. He'll search for the sideline. E iwa ngā minute e toi ana. Ko wai ka eke. Ollie McLaughlin there. Easily capturing the ball. Anai, pere mana e mātakitaki ana. Tērā pia ko tētahi o ana tama, tētahi o ana ngā whanaunga rānei e tākoro ana. Mo te kapa o Napier Boys. And the home crowd here, they'll be happy with the efforts of Napier Boys so far. E iwa ngā meneti, e waru ngā meneti e nai nei e toi ana i tēnei tukinga. Collected there. Te ahua raru, engari. Whoa, what a take there. I think that was Riley Mullaney. And this is where New Plymouth Boys High School are dangerous. This is where they can turn the ball over. I think the referee is asking his touch if he saw anything. Tērā pia I kite ia I tētahi mea. Ngare kei te pirangi ia kia pātai. And it will be a penalty to Napier Boys High School. Time is on their side. For New Plymouth Boys High, however, e whetū ngā menete e toia nei tēnei tukinga, ana e arahi ana te haukainga mā ngā tatau rua te kaumārua. Charlie Shaw there for Napier Boys High School. Ko ia, kua whai wāhi mai ki tēnei kapa. Ko ta whakataha hia Isaac MΑORI kia whai wāhi atu a Charlie Shaw. Another penalty here for Napier Boys High School. E ono ngā menete e toia nei tēnei wā. They're deciding what they should do. They'll go for another line out. It's been an exciting game so far. E rima ngā menete e toi ana. Another beautiful throw in there. Riley Mullaney, he should be very happy with his game. Kingsley Morris there, deciding should I jump into the maul or not. And then, just like they've been doing all day now, New Plymouth Boys High School steal the ball. Can they get it to the left wing? Hot on their tails though. Napier Boys High School. As it drifts out, should see Napier Boys ball. Napier Boys High, with minutes to go in this match, they want to just hold the ball. They've played a very good game and they'll be happy with their efforts. I would say New Plymouth Boys will be happy with their efforts. So ahakoa ngā Tauranga, and despite what the scoreboard says, they've played really well. They've played some great rugby. They've just been unfortunate. A few errors forced by the defence of Napier Boys. But this has been a really good match. Played on a beautiful day in Napier, as Napier Boys want to score at least one more time before the full time whistle. Seen a few players come on for both teams, a few new players. Also see a penalty here from New Plymouth Boys High School. Kore te mohio hea I pera ai. Plymouth Boys dangerous with the ball. Few line breaks today. Ngari kaore e tae e rātou te whai hua I ngā whatinga. Ruarua minute e toia nei tēnei tukinga. Can you Plymouth Boys High School score at least one more time? They're in the Napier Boys half. Strong carry here. As they continue to attack Napier Boys' defence line. Bit of a change of play there, Charlie Shaw. Looked to the right, sent it to the left. And that was a great decision to do because New Plymouth Boys looking very dangerous with the ball. But it's that defence of Napier. It's too good. Here we go. Pass it out to number 14 for New Plymouth Boys, Casey Raven. The referee looks at his watch. Says we'll have a scrum. We've got just under a minute to go. Napier scrum. They've done everything they can to defend their line. They want a clean scrum, kick out of there to get out of their 22 and not let New Plymouth Boys cross their line for a second time. But what a match. Tāhua nei, koe nei te wāhanga tākoro whakamutunga ka kitea ki konei ki ahurere. I mua I te whio whakamutunga o te tukinga. Just seconds to go in this match. This could possibly be the last play that we see. Heath Sheehan there. As Charlie Shaw, all the time in the world to throw into the scrum. We can already see there at the back there, Joe, Jerry Senetu. He'll get the ball, he'll kick it out, and that should be us for today. Kau. He kona e whakamutunga. Another beautiful take there by New Plymouth Boys High. Heath Sheehan there, following the ball. This rolling maul. Got advantage playing for New Plymouth Boys High School. Penalty. They'll take it quick. The ball's right there. inches away from the try line. Heath Sheehan there. We had hands in the ruck. So there's another penalty to New Plymouth Boys High School. Te rapea koe nei te wāhanga. Tākoro whakamutunga mā te kapa nei. So we'll see a tap and go. And it's a try. New Plymouth Boys High School. Beautiful play there. They'll be happy with that. Their second try of the match. Aha, kua kei te pātai mai, tētahi o ngā kaitākoro no Napier, nhai perai. Wa whai hua a Taranaki.
Play house. Off the back fence.
Mana, kua matu te kēmu, rua te kauma whetū ngā tauranga ki te haukainga ki Napier Boys High School ki tā, te manuhere, te kaupiro. E mihi atu ana kia kauta katoa I whai wāhi mai ki tēnei tukinga. 27-10 to Napier Boys High School, who hosted New Plymouth Boys High School. Whārahia tumutumu tōku ingoa, e mihi ana kia kauta katoa. Thank you for joining us on this Whakaata Māori, Māori Plus match.